Hi, here we are again. Here we are again on our 40-day juice fast. And this is the citrus juice. Yes, the citrus juice for the 40-day juice fast. And today we're going to do something a little different. I just want to show you what I use in this juice fast. And this is still, these ingredients are actually the same ingredients in my glow up juice. So if you want to glow up, do the citrus juice. Go ahead and do the citrus juice. If you want to be energized and vibrant, go ahead and do this citrus juice. I promise you, you will love it. Yes, you will. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make it in a small batch for yourself. So, because I'm used to making big batches, so I'm going to show you how to do it in a small batch. All right, I'll be back. Stay with me. Welcome back. I am back at you. I am back at you in Get Healthy Now Mastery Laboratory. And we are making this citrus juice. We are making this citrus juice. And in this juice, I have pineapple, oranges, and grapefruit. And I'm going to add the lemon to this. But before I get started, I wanted to share my knives with you. These are the ceramic knives that I bought. It comes in a set of 5. And they are really nice. Yep, they are really nice. And I have them listed in my description box if you want to check them out. But they are real good. Look at that. Look at that. I just want to show you these knives because they really cut really good. And one thing I like about them is because they are covered. Each one come with their own cover, and you just pull it out. When you wash it, dry it off real good, and put it back. So I think that is a safe way to keep knives, okay? And I'm adding 2 more grapefruits to this, so that means this what we have here is it's gonna be 4 grapefruits, 2 oranges, 4 grapefruit, 2 oranges, a half a pineapple, and a lemon. So I just want to show you, you can make juices in a small batch. I'm accustomed to doing them in large batches. So, but I wanted to break it down to small batches to let you know that you do it in a small batch. It doesn't take you that long to juice it. Okay? So we're going to actually get this going. Yes, we are. And this is the citrus juice that I'm drinking along with the lemon ginger blast on this 40-day juice fast. You still have time to come and join us. Come on and join us. Oh yeah. I didn't get me a towel. Okay. Yeah, come on and join us. So we're gonna put this lemon in there. Again, these are ceramic knives. And I just went online and typed in ceramic knives, and this is what popped up. And I love them. I really do. So I want you to come on and join me. I want you to join this vibration over here. Oh yeah. This juice will brighten up your day. Lighten up your day. So we're gonna move these knives out the way. So I just wanted to show you how you can make this juice. And we're gonna use these jars. And not have a big batch, but you know you can freeze juice, right? All righty. You definitely can freeze juice. See, it's not going to take long to juice this at all. For those of you who say you don't have time, it's only, when you see me juicing, I juice for 3 days. So you don't have to juice for 3 days. So again, let me say this. Welcome to all of my subscribers. Welcome to the newcomers. Thank you. And welcome to all of my Get Healthy Now Mastery channel members. I'm so glad to have you. I'm excited. I'm excited about what's getting ready to take place with Get Healthy Now Mastery. Let me share this with you. Today is Thursday, May the 28th. So Friday is Juice Up, is Fasting Friday, which the fasting starts at, I want to get as much of that in there because I'm just going to pour it in the jars. Fasting starts Friday morning, 10 o'clock a.m., and it ends Saturday morning at 10 o'clock a.m. This is a 24-hour fast. So come on and join us. Juice it. Juicing and water. 24-hour fast. Okay, I think we got that. Let's see if we can pour this in here without making a mess. Let's hold this over here. There we go. Look at that. See there? Wasn't much. And you got 2 16-ounce containers. With all of that fruit I just had. Absolutely. Okay, we are done. You all go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. Go ahead and send me a comment. Share this information with your family and friends. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. So come on and share this information with your family and friends. We are here at Get Healthy Now Mastery to make a difference in the health and wealth of this world. So let's do it together. Let's do it together. Let's run this health race together. Together. Yes. Yes and yes. Oh my goodness. You all, June is coming and we have some exciting things coming in June. So I want you to be on the lookout for that. Also, Saturday morning live, Tea Time with Margie. So come on and join me in Tea Time with Margie. And let's do this, you guys. Come on. Come on and vibrate with me. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Vibrate with me. And thank you to all of my channel members. I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you all. You have no idea. So see what you got with this juice. And I didn't even taste this juice. So let me taste it first. We're just going to taste just a little bit. Just a little bit of this juice. So you don't have to make a whole lot of juice if you don't want to. Just use a small amount of ingredients and run it through your juicer and you're done. All right. Thank you so much. Cheers. Cheers, cheers. This is my citrus juice for my 40-day juice fast. And it is delicious. It is delicious. I promise you. Yes, it'll make you dance. I'm excited. I am truly excited. Yes, I am. So on that note, again, thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to the newcomers. And what else did I leave out? Did I leave something out? I have this huge watermelon over here that I've got to juice. I'm going to see if I can show it to you right quick. Roll over here. I meant to have it over here so you could see it. It's big. It's huge. See this big watermelon? I'm going to juice this watermelon. I am. I'm going to juice it. And I think I'm going to freeze some of it just to see how it freezes. I know a lot of people say they freeze it. I have never frozen it. And so I'm going to do that. But again, thank you so much. I just wanted to show you this to you. Come Monday, we start June 1st. June Juice Up Rising. So we'll have different juices each morning for you. So stay tuned. Stay with me. Go ahead and spread this world as we reach people all around the world. Thank you so much. I love you. May God bless you. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.